Now, what do you think about She Leads Empower Her?
I think it's a great platform because it's giving a lot of opportunities to women to come here, explore not just topics and technology, but also look at other women entrepreneurs. So it sort of helps you emulate and grow better.
And one more question is some growth tips for startups.
So I think a couple of things, right? One is, like I was saying in the panel, everything that you can automate, which is operations, you must do that. It saves you cost, time, and money. 2, delegate and delegate because it's very important. As a founder, you can't be at all places all the time. And the most important thing, look at your numbers and talk to your customers. Very critical.
Right, but very important.
Yes, absolutely.
Key takeaways for second generation entrepreneurs.
So my key takeaway for the second generation is first, work outside for at least 4 to 5 years. If you can work in a relevant business that is relevant and similar to your business that you're going to eventually enter into, that's definitely going to be immensely useful. After that, of course, you first finish at least up to post-graduation, maybe masters and then MBA, work for 4.5 years, and then you come into your family business. And then one very, very important takeaway is networking. I think that is extremely important because at the end of the day, you'll be doing great work. Like we're in 56 years in this business and very niche mechatronics business that we're in. But at the end of the day, if you don't network, people are not going to get to know about you. So you ensure that you network, network with different forums and which are relevant and different to give you diverse perspective as well. But the last one is always look at serving the society as well. At the end of the day, a holistic approach is, of course, top line, bottom line, cash flows. All of that is important.
What did you think about this event, She Leads Empower Her?
I am one of the founding members, so I started very early with She Leads. So it has always been an experience, a wonderful experience meeting so many women entrepreneurs and led by Nikita and team. So I guess that's brilliant.
Right. And my second question for you is if you could just guide us on tools for automation. So how would you describe that?
Based on the panel that we had, there were a lot of tools. Of course, one is, looking at CRMs, which is different types of CRMs we have. We have Zapier, we have Zoho, we can use that. So most people should use it. Appointment tools is important because we should also have, appointment booking and then automate that process. In the panel also, we heard that other than the ChatGPT, Copilot and Gemini that we hear most often, I guess some of the tools that needs automation is also repeated processes. So we should actually look at those tools and start automating the process. Not always hire someone, but you can always have tools and automation. That's right. So that's something I would suggest.
Yes. So what are you waiting for? Join this community today.